Welcome back to Quizdom Blitz. Hey animal lovers, think you can recognize an animal just by its sound? Today we're playing Guess the Animal by its sound. You'll hear 30 different animal noises and you'll have just 7 seconds to figure out which animal it is. And let the wild challenge begin. Can you guess the animal? Awesome, guess is sheep. Next up, can you identify this sound? Exactly, it's a wolf. What about this creature? That's an elephant. Do you recognize this animal? The answer is lion. Do you know what animal this is? Superb, it's a rooster. Which animal is this? Right on, pig. Can you name this one? Correct answer, it's a cat. Next up, what sound is this? Great job, it's a gorilla. Listen closely. Which animal is it? Nice one, it's a cow. Can you guess this animal? You nailed it, turkey. Listen again. Which animal could it be? Brilliant, it's an eagle. What about this one? Spot on, it's a dolphin. Can you name this animal? What about this creature? Any guesses? Well done, it's a dog. Next up, can you guess it? Impressive, it's a parrot. Do you know the name of this one? You got it right, whale. Can you identify this? Animal. Fantastic, it's a frog. Hey, which animal is this? It's a horse. Do you know the name of this one? Sharp is, it's a donkey. Can you figure out this animal by its sound? It's a duck. Listen up. Who's making this noise? You cracked it, rattlesnake. Which animal could this be? That's correct, goat. Any idea what animal this sound belongs to? Bingo, it's a hyena. Who is hiding behind this sound? On point, it's an owl. Would you rather face a hungry lion or like this video? Guess the animal from this sound clue. You are right, crocodile. So, how many animals did you recognize correctly? Share your score in the comments below. If you had fun with this sound challenge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more exciting quizzes coming your way.